What is up, you guys? It is 5:17. It's early outside, but it is nice. Today, we're going to be heading out on the kayak. So see you First kayak fish, you guys. Just saw him jumping over there through this little crappie swim bait that Jim Vretzo sent me. Thank you, Jim. Caught this little 1/2 pounder. There he goes, you guys. First catch of the day. See you guys next catch. Alright, you guys. Got a little bluegill. Let's reel him in. Tiny, using a little night crawler. Might use him for bait. Catch a big catfish. See you guys next catch. Alright, you guys, that is going to be it for today. Had a fun day out on the kayak. Caught a little bass using the small paddle tail Kitech swim baits that Jim sent me.